I met you on the subway. Then you got in my way. So why you get on my case? I'ma hit you in your dumb face.
I was on my way to work. You really made my feelings hurt. I pull out my pistol. Oops, I missed it. Hit a person in the back.
Hit a person in the back. Hit a lady, she got smacked. Now I'm flying down the tracks. Up with people we attack. Now I'm feeling really vexed. Little girl, she get impressed. And my hit make her depressed. Do my ass and got a check.